channel, man. Y'all see my current situation. Ladies and gentlemen, whoa, the Snap-on man is here. I'm at my other home, Brothers Motors. Guys, I'm here to check up on another one of my customers, okay? ProMaster, is that it? Yep, that's it. He finally brought it, guys. We getting ready to put a engine in this thing. From my understanding, the engine is here. Ladies and gentlemen, all we gotta do is get it in and put it in. But first, let me go check up on my boy and see what's going on. Y'all stay tuned. And here it is, guys. Yes, it showed up. There's my engine. We got work to do. Yeah, look at that. It's not a Gen 3, guys. Typical Gen 2, I want to say. It doesn't matter. It's going in that big old ProMaster. Mopar, baby. Yeah, I got him. Well, I convinced him to get the Mopar. We don't want no Derman engines or no Jasper, none of that. We want high quality. Yep, all the seals. Now, do I got a oil cooler? Okay. Please let there be an oil cooler. No, I do not install new engines without an oil cooler. I'm out of time, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. Y'all saw that short video. Let me go ahead and start a long video, okay? I'm gonna go down here with let's go take a look at the ProMaster. All right, I know it's parked down here. Right now I'm at the world famous Brothers Motors. This is where I do most of my other work at. Okay, yes, I have a large following, or quite a bit of people on I don't want the music to get tied in and maybe knock me out of monetization, so but they jamming over there. I have quite a few people calling me up, want to know can they get their car fixed. All right, now the thing is we're hurting for space over here, but I can't turn this down, guys. YouTube, all right? Yeah, I definitely couldn't turn this down. All right, now how we gonna get it out? I haven't done one personally, but you know, we dodge people over here. Yeah, here's what happened. He's told me it's locked up. Okay, so it won't run. They actually towed it and put it right here. Now the thing is, yeah, we're coming out of the bottom, damn sure. But definitely coming out of the bottom. Look. Well, you see any room you can get out from the top? Absolutely not. And this is work van. So the good news is he's interested in getting started and getting it done. Let's get it. Let's get it. So as soon as we get, we got to clean out a stall and we're going to get right to it, man. But my man, I forgot what he said. He overheated it. Something happened. Yeah. Work. All work. All right. ProMasters are only work. The thing is, he gave me a call. How much y'all charge? I added my hourly rate to how many hours that it says, you know, Chilton, all data, whoever, and we multiplied those together and came up with our estimate. However, you know, we have to add in 200 or 300, you know, some miscellaneous, because you never know what could pop up, guys. When you're doing engine jobs, that's all kinds of unexpected things that could happen. All right, so. But now we're not gonna, like, I can't keep this engine. There's nothing I can do. I can say it's overheated, seized up technically. Yeah, look at the reservoir, empty. All right, yeah, this thing is seized up, so gonna have to push it in and get to work. Now we gotta go clean out. Here's the thing about this. I'm gonna make sure I clean these drains out. Y'all know the history on the ProMaster. Water would get in here, fall on top of this, and rust out the intake. Oh my goodness, it could get ugly. The engineers, in my opinion, didn't think this out very well as far as the water drainage. We once had to replace a upper and a lower intake manifold on one of these because it rusted out. When we got ready to take it off, everything just snapped and broke. A lot of rust. Okay, water, guys. If you own a ProMaster, make sure you see all this stuff right here. This can clog up those drain ports, and water would just tend to fall down all in your engine area and freeze up or rust out a whole bunch of this. Okay, if this stuff rust out when you get ready to remove it, you see that bolts will strip out. We can't remove the bolt, so you end up breaking it off. Look, this part of the intake right here, we had no choice but to break this off in order to remove it because it's rusted out because of water intrusion. All right, so look what we got here. Yeah, brand new intake. This is the lower intake, this is the upper intake, and we're going to clean those passages out to make sure that water can drain the way it's supposed to drain. All right, yeah, we just got some new parts. They finally approved it, so, and we're gonna do a tune up on it, but the main thing is making sure your drainage port are clear so it won't happen again. All right, that's all I got. Yeah, customer was pissed. Customer like wasn't broke when I brought it there. That's the thing, guys. You can get blamed for something that's out of your control. Like when you're taking something off and it break, technically it was gonna break on the next person that took it out. It just happened to be you. Sucks to be you at that point, right? Yeah. So don't want to spend all day talking to this. Let me go up and find out, because I got to head back to another shop. I got to go do some troubleshooting at my other buddy's shop. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Well, y'all don't know who I'm talking about. That Nissan's still here, man. Yeah, I got to go do some troubleshooting, find out what's wrong. He got a Durango kicking his butt. JT, I need your help. Y'all know me. Okay, I got you, buddy. I'll help you. What is this scrap metal? So I got to go over there and see what he up to. But for the most part, let's clean out. I wonder what's wrong with this Jeep. Let's get y'all stay tuned, man. We'll talk some more later. All right, stay tuned. I'm really anxious to get this ProMaster in here so we can get going. However, we got to get one of these suckers out of here. One of these mother suckers got to go. And what we talking about? Maybe 2 days tops. All right. So today, well, I don't know when this video is gonna go out, but 2 days from now, ProMaster will be in on this lift right here. I will be over here personally removing it. All right, guys. I am totally out of time. All right. So let's go around. I done did a shorts video already as far as what's next. I think I told y'all in that short video, this Charger's next. Overheating, all right, 345, 5.7 liter Hemi. That Lexus, we gave up on the Lexus, guys. The estimate exceeds the value of the car. And of course, this Ram 1500, easy peasy to us, right? Yeah, so we're going to tackle that. I can't remember the complaint on it, but it doesn't matter. It's a Dodge Ram. It's a Ram. All right, yeah, everything. When I say everything, we know everything about Jeep, Dodge, Ram, the whole lineup, Stellantis lineup, okay? So that gives us an advantage, all right? But we're not discriminatory. Is that right? Did I say that right? Discriminatory. Still saying it wrong. We're not that to other makes and models. In fact, we had to open the shop up, okay? See that Ford right there? He got a Ford in the shop, so I don't know what he's doing with that. That's not mine. I'm not going to say I'm only concerned with my personal customers, but I am, however, concerned with the ones that I sign up, okay? I vet people. I don't just, meet you up the street. Come on over. Yeah, I got to feel a certain vibe about you guys. That's just the way it is. If I don't feel that vibe for you, I can't do business with you. It ain't even about the money. I got to feel a vibe, certain vibe for you, all right? That vibe ain't there, it ain't happening. So I'm out of time. This long video. Man, I hate we had to give up on the Lexus. Like I say, the repair cost exceeded the value of the car. Not much you can do when that happens, guys. I'm anxious to get on this. I might take this one to the house and do this in the driveway. But it's got a Hemi in it. So first I need to find out exactly what's wrong with it. So I got to do some test driving. Guys, tell y'all what. Y'all hold tight, man. Brothers Motors, we got a lot of work to do, all right? Y'all stay tuned, man. I got to go.